Well done and congratulations on completing my How to Talk to AI course. We have covered a lot of new material on AI and prompt engineering. To summarize, you now know the fundamentals of AI, its types, and its applications. We have explored how AI is becoming an integral part of many industries and why understanding the basics of AI is becoming increasingly important for businesses and individuals alike. We have discussed how AI is revolutionizing society by creating new jobs, bridging language divides, transforming government, delivering healthcare, and creating art. We have discussed how, as a business professional, it is essential to stay abreast of AI advancements in order to remain competitive and capitalize on the opportunities that AI presents. You now know how to talk to AI using prompt engineering. You've been exposed to prompt types and strategies that you can quickly put into use to help you effectively interact with AI systems. And last but not least, you walk away with valuable industry best practices to better utilize prompt engineering in your day-to-day life. So what's next? If you love the course, please share it with your network.